Hey everyone, want to create marketing videos with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to make engaging AI marketing videos step by step. First, open the Pika AI website and sign in to your account. Click Create *** to start a new video project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video, depending on the type of marketing video you want to create. Now write a detailed prompt describing your campaign idea. Include your product, target audience, message, visual style, background, and camera movement for better results. If you have product images or brand visuals, upload them and describe how you want them animated. Next, adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style to match your marketing platform. Click Generate * and wait while Pika AI creates your video. Once the video is ready, review the result and refine your prompt if you want stronger visuals or a different style. After that, add your logo, captions, music, or other branding elements using your preferred editing tools. Finally, export your video and share it on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or your website. And that's how you make marketing videos with Pika AI. With creative prompts and the right approach, you can create eye-catching promotional videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.